Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? We're out here. We finna clean this chicken brooder up. Got something playing in the music in the background. Sunday morning, my little church service I go to. Gonna use the material from the chicken brooder to try to start a compost heap. I don't know shit about doing a compost heap. Sorry, that's the truth. Nothing about it. But we're finna try to figure it out. And I'm gonna bring y'all along the way. Cleaning poop up to make dirt. Makes sense to me, I guess. I don't have a wheelbarrow, so we're gonna have to do it the funky way, and it may take a little bit. But I need a good suggestion on a good wheelbarrow that will hold up. I kind of want a trailer and a lawnmower that don't have a deck on it. That seems more my speed, but I probably couldn't get it up this ramp anyway, so. I'll bring y'all along as we're doing this. Okay. We're gonna start digging this out. It's been in there a good minute. It's thick. Probably take me a little bit. I'll bring y'all back. I'm not gonna do time lapse. I'll bring y'all back when I start getting the first load ready to go. Alright, we got us a spot. It's supposed to be about 3 foot by 3 foot. What I've read. It's ready. We're finna dump the first load, cover it up. I'm gonna try to figure out some way to bring water down here. Get water down here. I'm gonna keep stacking it today regardless. Maybe Wednesday before I can get a water hose, get over here. There's the first layer of chicken crap and sawdust. We can cover that up with leaves. I'm gonna go see if I can find some water first. Okay, I got the first little load of water. I brought it in the wheelbarrow or in my sled in a cooler. The cooler's leaking as bad as the water hose I'm using. The water hose I'm using is about 80 foot short, so I'll get back to y'all here in a little bit. I'm soaking wet. Alright, we got our second layer in. And go get some water. Cover it up with leaves. That'll probably be all we get added to it today. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna add some rabbit poo and leaves to it. More water. And I just want to show y'all how I started, and I'll show y'all in a week or two how it's coming along. This will be part 1 on it. Second layer done. And that's gonna be about it we're gonna get done today. I got all the litter out of that one. Tomorrow I'm gonna add a little more out of the other brooder and some rabbit shit. I probably won't bring y'all along with that. I'm just gonna bring y'all along with the process, how good it looks. All right, lifers, we got that done. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I say, that'll be part 1. I'll probably do a part 2 and 3 on it when it actually starts getting hot. Show y'all what it's like. Gotta get a water hose. I can get to it. That hauling water ain't worth a turd. But I gotta get a water hose. I can get over here to the main pen too. This is my new favorite place to sit. I can sit here and watch the ducks and the turkeys. I gotta get the chickens moved over here in a day or two, clearing out around the pen. And then I'll be able to sit and watch everything except for the guineas. And Mom's up there making their new cage today, and I think she is sick of screwing with them already. I've heard her scream 2 or 3 times. I gotta get up there and help her. Y'all made it this far in this cringy little video. Like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.